Estonian winters can be tough, and especially now at the darkest time of the year. So, here are some essential phrases for you for a good mindset to survive the Estonian winter and generally the rest of the year as well. Starting with the very basic ones. Number 1. Mind ei huvita. Number 2. Mul ükskõik. Mul ükskõik. Number 3 is for those of you who need an excuse to decline something. Ma ei viitsi. Ma ei viitsi. Then, when life hits you with difficulties, you could say mind jätab see täiesti külmaks. And of course, we can't do without mul on täiesti kama 2. Okay, but all jokes aside, I do have some actual phrases for you as well. So, number 1, so the first one. On nagu on. Number 2, nii see elu käib. And number 3, läks nagu läks. So, head talvist pööripäeva!